Hey again, Steve Stasek with Blackstone Group Leasing and Management. I'm not sure if you're planning on self-managing your properties as you're moving forward, but I'd like to give you a couple of pointers that we have found lead to successful management for our properties, and I'm happy to share them with you so that you can have the same successes that our clients do. The first one is make sure you have good accounting practices. Everything that is involved with your property could be a tax write-off. So you want to make sure that everything that you are doing is compartmentalized per your property so that when it's time to report to the tax man, you have everything in a row. The next one is get to know your vendors early. Plumbers, electricians, roofers, other general contractors. If you are looking for one in an emergency, you are already too late sometimes. So if you have a vendor that you can trust ahead of the emergency, when it's time for the emergency, you're not scrambling to respond to it. And lastly, open communication with your tenants. The tenant is the best source to report emergency situations at the property because they're the ones that spend the most time there. So if there's a leak or something with the electrical that needs instant response, they should be able to reach you 24/7 so that you can respond with the urgency that a situation requires. If something catastrophic is happening, those extra minutes that can be saved in response to that might make the difference in how much that problem can cost you. So make sure they can reach you at any time so that you can do what needs to be done. Well, I hope that these things help you and as you move forward in self-management. But of course, if you're ever willing to start the conversation up again, or you have some questions about our property management services, always can give me a call. Steve Stasek with Blackstone Group Leasing and Management. All the best.